Hey there, viewers. Our liver is a powerhouse organ responsible for detoxifying our bodies, metabolizing nutrients, and aiding in digestion. But did you know that certain foods can wreak havoc on this vital organ? Yes, that's right. So in this video, we'll uncover the top 10 foods that could be silently damaging your liver. And more importantly, we'll discuss strategies to protect and promote liver health. So let's get started. Number 1. Sugar and high-fructose corn syrup. These sneaky additives are found in abundance in processed foods, sodas, and sweets. Excessive consumption of sugar and HFCS can lead to fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, and inflammation. To safeguard your liver, opt for natural sweeteners like stevia, or choose whole fruits to satisfy your sweet tooth. 2. Trans fats. These artificial fats are commonly found in fried foods, packaged snacks, and margarine. Trans fats not only raise bad cholesterol levels but also contribute to liver inflammation and insulin resistance. Swap out trans fats for healthier alternatives like olive oil, avocado, and nuts to support your liver's well-being. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. While the occasional drink can be enjoyed in moderation, excessive alcohol consumption can be detrimental to liver health. Alcohol is metabolized by the liver, and chronic alcohol abuse can lead to alcoholic liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. Practice moderation, and if you choose to drink, do so responsibly to protect your liver from harm. 4. Processed meats. Processed meats like deli cuts, bacon, and hot dogs often contain high levels of sodium, nitrates, and preservatives, which can burden the liver. Additionally, these meats are linked to an increased risk of fatty liver disease and liver cancer. Opt for lean proteins such as poultry, fish, and legumes to support a healthier liver and overall well-being. 5. Salt and sodium-laden foods. Excessive salt intake can lead to water retention and high blood pressure, putting strain on the liver and increasing the risk of liver damage. Be mindful of your sodium intake by limiting processed foods, canned soups, and salty snacks. Instead, flavor your meals with herbs, spices, and lemon juice to reduce your reliance on salt while promoting liver health. Number 6. Refined grains. Refined grains like white bread, pasta, and white rice have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can contribute to insulin resistance and fatty liver disease over time. Opt for whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats to provide your body with essential nutrients and support liver function. 7. Artificial sweeteners. While marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin may have negative effects on liver health. Studies have shown that artificial sweeteners can alter gut bacteria composition, leading to metabolic disturbances and liver inflammation. Choose natural sweeteners or enjoy sweetness in moderation to protect your liver. 8. Saturated and trans fats. Saturated fats, commonly found in red meat, butter, and cheese, along with trans fats, contribute to elevated cholesterol levels and liver fat accumulation. Limit your intake of these unhealthy fats by opting for lean cuts of meat, plant-based oils, and omega-3 rich foods like salmon and walnuts to support optimal liver function. 9. Caffeine overload. While moderate caffeine consumption has been associated with potential health benefits, excessive intake from energy drinks and high-caffeine beverages can strain the liver and disrupt sleep patterns. Stick to moderate amounts of caffeine from sources like coffee and tea, and be mindful of added sugars and artificial additives that can harm liver health. 10. Pesticide-heavy produce. Finally, talk about pesticide-heavy produce. Conventionally grown fruits and vegetables may contain pesticide residues that can burden the liver and disrupt its detoxification processes. Whenever possible, choose organic produce or wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly to reduce pesticide exposure and support liver health. So their viewers the top 10 foods that could be silently damaging your liver. But fear not. Armed with this knowledge, you now have the power to make informed choices and prioritize liver health in your daily life. Remember to nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods, stay hydrated, and engage in regular physical activity to support your liver and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips, and share it with your friends and family.